Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 8. In this unit, there is a poem. The poem name is Meadows Surprises and written by Louis Brandt Phillips. Okay, so I have completed the portion. Which portion? Explanations. Okay, and comes to the MCQs. Now see the first MCQ, multiple choice question. First MCQ: a meadow reveals. A meadow reveals. Options are the mystery of nature, animals and their habitats, wonderful things, the brooks. The meadow reveals. The answer is of the first MCQ is wonderful things. What? Wonderful things. Meadow reveals of wonderful things. Okay. Number second, to have a glimpse of the surprises one should. To have a glimpse of the surprises one should. Options: walk softly and be alert, wear glasses, travel in a car, bring a telescope. So the answer is to have a glimpse of the surprises one should. What one should do? Walk softly and be alert. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, now comes to number third. When we are by the side of a brook, we should try to listen, sit on a stone, not carry snacks, not push. So when we are by the side of a brook, we should try to listen. Okay, now comes to the next part. Okay, now what? In this poem there is a rabbit. Okay, the first MCQ about the rabbit. Now see, you observe the rabbit only when he runs, when he hops, when he sits, when he crawls. So you observe the rabbit only when he hops, jumps. Hops means jumps. Okay, when he jumps, that time you observe it. Number second, your presence will. Option A, delight the rabbit, enliven the environment, scare a rabbit, sustain nature. So when your presence will there, just like the animal, like a rabbit, what happen? He scares. Means you scare a rabbit. Option C is the correct answer. Now, number third. A rabbit sits on its paws, very still, on its hind legs, in a beautiful style. So the answer is, when a rabbit sits, how sits? Very still. Very still is the correct answer. Don't move anywhere. Okay, it sits very still. So B is the correct answer. Comes to next. The poet wants to explore. What explore? The habitats of the animals, hidden treasure, the web of branches, hidden life. So the poet wants to explore what? Habitats of the animals. The habit of the animals. Second, the rabbits make what? Mounds, burrows in the ground, small caves and shelter. The rabbit makes what? Burrows in the ground for living inside. That is why rabbit makes burrows in the ground. Number third, the mounds are amazing as one finds. The mounds are amazing as one finds. What wonderful houses inside the mounds. Lot of treasure, storage rooms and conference rooms. So the mounds are amazing as one finds. What finds? Wonderful houses inside the mounds. That is why he made the bureaus in the ground, means the mounds inside it. Okay, wonderful houses. That is the correct answer, A. The next is, see here 10 are the MCQs. Okay, so the first one, the meadows offer surprises like what? The meadows offers surprises like what? Tableware, wild bureaus, kitchenware or wild plants. So the meadows offer surprises. Offer surprises what? Wild plants. Okay, there are wild plants there. Okay, if we blow it, some leaves fallen down. Some wild plants. Talk about that. Offer surprises. Okay, so fourth is the correct answer. Now second, if you have alert eyes and ears, if you have alert eyes and ears, you what? Blank, can discover the surprises, can discover the wealth hidden, can discover the nature, can discover none of the above. So what? If you have alert eyes and ears, you can what? Discover the surprises. Eyes, talking about the surprises, meadows surprises, that is the title. Okay, so discover the surprises. Now third, who hopes and runs when it is scared? Who? Which picture is in the, which animal's picture is in the poem? Who's? The rabbit. So who hopes and runs when it is scared? The squirrel, the pigeon, the rabbit or the dove? So the answer is the rabbit. The picture is inside. Whose picture? The rabbit. Okay, now MCQ number 4. The shape of the dandelion is, now dandelion plant, what is the shape of this dandelion? Umbrella shapes, then like a candy, parachute like, or none of the above. So the shape of the dandelion is just like the umbrella. Okay, so first is the correct answer. Now fifth, one should explore the dash who live in the meadows. Houses made by different animals, food collected by the animals, possibility of life for those, and both first and second. So the number fifth answer is, one should explore the what? Explore the houses. Explore the houses made by different animals. One animal is given in picture inside, which? Rabbit. Rabbit make bureaus inside. Okay, so one should explore the houses made by different animals who lives in the meadows. That is the correct answer, number 1. Number 6, who make or who makes bureaus? Who make or who makes bureaus? Okay, options: the ants, the rabbits, the snails, the squirrels. Whose picture is given in this poem? The rabbit. So the rabbits, the animal rabbit makes bureau. Okay, now number 7, an alert man can find in the meadows. What find? Treasures, a treasure, a cow, the soil, or surprises. What is the title? Meadows surprise. So an alert man can find in the meadows what? Surprises, lot of surprises. Okay, now number 8, meadows, grass. Meadows are how? grassy, dry, flowery or watery. So the meadows are grassy. What? Meadows are grassy, soft green. Number 9. The butterfly feeds on. The butterfly feeds on what? Insect, leaves, nectar or flowers. So what did the butterfly feed? They sucks the nectar from the flower. Okay, so the butterfly feed what? Nectar. Now comes to number 10. In a meadow, the birds make their nest in. Nest in where? A building, tall grass, the earth, the burrow. Okay, so the answer is in a meadow. In a meadow, the birds make their nest. In a meadow means the grass. Okay, so the birds make their nest where? In tall grass. In tall grass. Option second is the correct answer. Okay, in tall grass. So friends, these are the MCQs of this unit. Unit 8. In this unit there is a poem. Poem name is Meadow Surprises. I hope you understand about the poem and this MCQs. So MCQ should be written in your notebook. Thank you.